Okay, now get to value of x here. Now, first of all, you should understand now OBCD is not cyclic quadrilateral. It is not a cyclic quadrilateral, right? Because why? This O, this point, not on the circumference, that is on the center, right? This is, you can't apply here, but the opposite angle add up to 180. Yeah? So you can't get here 130 minus 180 this angle, right? Keep mind like that. Normally we know in a cyclic quadrilateral opposite angle add up to 180, but this is not cyclic quadrilateral but the OBCD. But ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? If you check very carefully, now ABCD, this all vertices on the circumference. So that's why ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So that's why you can apply here, but if this is 130, this one complete, this one will be this two angle, but the DCB this 130 angle, and BAD will be add up to 180. So that's why if this is 130, okay, I will write it how you need to write in the exam. Normally I will not write much thing. I just need to explain how to get the answers. So here if I tell like this, the DAB plus BCD equal 180, because the reason in a cyclic quadrilateral opposite angle add up to 180. So here they give no what the BCD is 130, they tell no it. So you can find using this the DAB, this angle 130 into here and minus from this, so it will be 50, right? 180 minus 130, when I bring to here it's negative, no, minus, no, so it will be 50 degrees. That means this is 50, this is 50, that means DAB, this is 50. Now very carefully look here, the next theorem, what the from D and B, if you consider from D and B go to circumference, and from D and B go to center, right? There's a connection here. From DB go to circumference, from DB go to center. So this will be twice of this one, but the angle at center is twice the angle at circumference. So if this is 50, this should be 100, right? From D and B go to circumference, from D and B go to center. So that's why there's a theorem here, but the angle at center is twice the angle at circumference. So you can tell the x is equal to 50 times 2. So x will be equal to 100 degrees. Try to understand that, right? From D and B, from same 2 point go to center, from D and B go to circumference. So if this is 50, this should be